ang hirap naman ng video na to. I know I'm not a popular YouTuber, so I should not be crying in front of the camera. But really, it's not about my crying that I would like you to remember. But I like you to remember what I also realized, and maybe it will help you to also change what you do now if it's applicable for you. Sorry. And that in our life, there are only two things certain. Siguradong mangyayari, no matter what. And those are death and change. Welcome back mga ka-Promdi! Maraming salamat po for coming back to watch our content, our videos. Thank you so much. We are enjoying so far sharing with you a lot of information that we think you can use. Sana po we are of service to you. This video is definitely going to be one of the most difficult for me to record. But I really wanted to share with you a few of my reflections around this topic. In December 2018, my grandmother, Lola, passed away because of heart failure. It is not because of COVID. And it is actually a disease that she has for quite some time. So if you think COVID will kill you, diyan po kayo nagkakamali. COVID is just one of the many diseases in the Philippines or in the world. But we do have a big problem on hypertension. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-ingat lahat. Pasensya na po kayo. I can still remember the pain. Pero I really just would like to share with you my realizations. And I hope a lot of you will learn from this. Alright, medyo nahirapan po talaga akong i-control yung tears ko, kaya kailangan kong mag-pause ng konti. It's difficult to be old. And it will be very heartbreaking if you became ignored by the society. Matanda ka na nga, mahina ka na nga, hindi ka pa pinapansin ng lipunan. So I really wanted to plead to everyone, sana, that when you see an old woman, an old man, lolo at lola, tulungan niyo po sila. Help them. Kung may nakikita kayo na they need help, help them. Kasi you will also be old. It's just a matter of time. Kung nangangailangan sila ng kwento, kwentuhan nyo. As I have mentioned earlier, the most difficult part of becoming old is to be ignored. Because they don't know the generation that you are in. They are not updated of the latest trends. Sometimes they also don't know news kasi nabingi na yung iba. But you also have this tendency to not talk to them kasi hindi kayo makarelate sa isa't isa. You can't connect. You should be consciously talking to them. Even if they are not your lola, they are not your relatives. They need still contact with the society and with people. Because what would be worst is when you experience by yourself, when you become old, to be ignored, neglected, and not connected. Avoid to be selfish and avoid thinking about only yourself. Think about the others and listen. Listen. All living organisms will die. That's just simply the life cycle of all of us. Equally as painful as a death of a human or your relative or your friends, the death of your pets. Yesterday, January 29, my fifth adopted dog named Cafe died of pneumonia. Hindi po siya COVID, pneumonia. Aso po si Cafe. I still remember when I adopted him, bought him from Lumpini Night Market several years ago. It was the era of teacup Chihuahua. Those dogs who are really tiny. She is a Chihuahua with long hair, and I will show some picture here. Really adorable, really cute. She, among my dogs, is the one very protective. She barks a lot, even on big dogs that are approaching me. Sobrang tapang. She doesn't see herself small. You might also have dogs who have died, and I think you will agree with me. Masakit. This is not the first time one of my dogs died. The first one died, I think, a few years ago. Her name was Fifi. And it was as painful. But I have this realization. Why humans love dogs so much? And that is because dogs, especially those that you took care of a lot, they are returning loyalty to you. Sobra. Because they can't talk, they just bark. You don't understand what they were saying. You don't have any negative experience with them. You just remember them coming to you, wiggling their tails, kissing you a lot, wanting in your lap, looking at you like you're the most beautiful creature on earth. But I know dogs will have a quite short lifespan compared to humans, so I should not be surprised. It's just that these deaths are really so painful for me, for us, and for my family. And I think for my sister Christina and my brother-in-law Bernardo, it is more painful because they are the one taking care of my dogs in the Philippines. And both of them are treating our dogs the same as how we are treating them. So they love them 24/7, taking care of them 24/7. Time flies, mabilis ang panahon. Life is short, maigsi ang buhay. Whew, that's quite a very heavy video. But I really hope that this triggered something to you guys. And as always, I love you all. Keep safe, and always remember to do good for others, and together we will make this world a better place. Thank you so much, guys. If you're not subscribed yet to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it so that others can also see and listen what we are sharing. Maybe it will help them, right? Thank you po mga kapromdi. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Salamat po. Hindi na tayo. Ayaw. Hindi namatay. Buti pa yung camera, hindi namamatay.